Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised, for this video we're gonna react to the second episode of Beanie Versus. So I think this is Maloy's. So let's go. Play.
Hi everyone, I'm Maloy, and my universe for today is an adventure with fashion and arts.
Of course, fashion and arts.
I need ready. So yes, of course, ang adventure natin
sorry.
for today is with fashion and arts because as you all know, I love fashion, I love art, I love anik, I love decorating, I love it. I love it. So, syempre, ang adventure natin for today, of course, hindi mawawala, of course, ang Sunsilk, of course, our partners in crime.
Of course.
Even a bad hair day can stop us from completing the challenges for today. Because we are Gandang Lugay, ready for any haircut adventure. Welcome to
Alam mo, sulit talaga yung mga brands kapag ang kinuha nilang endorser ang Beanie. Sobrang promoted eh. Pakainin. Boom. Feeling ko magulo tong episode na to.
It's design your own tote bag challenge. Are you guys ready? Oh my God!
Ilang seconds pa lang.
Kasi sobrang ingay nilang lahat.
Okay, this is the mechanics of the game. Are you guys ready? Yes! Ready? So, each player is magda-design kayo ng tote bag yun. Oh my God! Design yung tote bag. So, meron tong mga nakalagay na mga art materials. Guys, may mga art materials doon like pens, paints,
Tote bag. May nabasa pala akong comment. So, nung time pala na sinushoot to, bagong bunot yung wisdom ni Gwen. Tama ba? Kaya siya parang, ganun no. Kaya siya inaasar nila Sheila.
Are you ready? Yeah, so ganun. Marami sa mga anek-anek. So, pagandahan lang talaga to. You have 10 You have 10 minutes to
Paka-uwi.
And this is the catch. What's the catch? What's the catch? The catch is, lema lang ang pipiliin.
Lema. Naka-lemery. Naka-lemery. Ang benta ng mga joke ni Colette. Alam mo yung mga joke sa Facebook? Ganun yung mga joke niya, pero mabenta.
I will choose 5. Sige na, 1 na lang pipiliin. Hindi, pipiliin ko 5 best tote bags. Okay, so and that will move on to the next challenge. So, are you guys ready? Is the artwork that did not go to the final round. Are you guys ready? They are ready. Is the artwork they are ready. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, meron ditong tote bags. Meron mga teddy bear. Wow! And a lots of anek.
Wow!
Ay naku, pag ito pinili, kayo. May mga anek. And of course, may paints. Wow! May mga pens, paintbrush, may water. So, ang kailangan na lang dito is talent. I think they are ready. Are they ready? Are you guys ready? Go!
Wait lang, muna.
Dapat si... Hindi, mauna si
Sino si Gwen?
Mauna muna siya kasi tingnan mo. Yung kabebe ko, magkakadgas ng May head start. May head start siya. Go. 30 seconds head start. I start na 5 seconds. 1.
Hindi talaga pantay yung ganito ni Gwen. Maga talaga eh.
4. 5. Oh, lago na. So guys, nakikita niyo na po. Naninigas yung daliri ko. Medyo nahirapan ako. Kasi parang hindi ko
pag-art. Alam nila yan. Pag nakakahawak ako ng mga paintbrush, naninigis talaga yung daliri ko. Sobrang wala talaga akong idea.
Ako din guys, relate. Wala akong talent sa art. Kaya sobrang bilib ako sa mga taong magaling mag-drawing. Kahit tung elementary ako, like, poster making, like, saan nyo nakuha yung mga idea nyo? Samantalang yung ibon ko, yung letter, parang letter M pa din.
Yes, guys.
So, guys, kailangan talaga dito, creative ka. Kailangan, you have a bright future. Kailangan mataas ang iyong IQ. Joke lang. Kailangan imaginative ka. Just show yourself. Just show what you can do. Just show yourself. Just show that you can do it. And just show it.
Dami sinasabi.
So, yan. Ito, ang dami pa dito.
Wala daw lahat yung brushes. Huwag yun ang gulawin.
Oh, may brushes. Oh, brushes. Wala, wag to. Wag to brushes ng mga to. Pag nagkamay. Wala, ang cute naman. Gusto ko. Bigay ko sa'yo yan. Ano bang yun? Naniligas ako eh. So guys, we have 7 minutes and 50 seconds left. So ba to? Oh no. Lord. So kailangan imaginative ka talaga. Kailangan malawak talaga ang iyong pag-isip. Open mind, open soul, and open spirit to have the best tote bag. Kasi di ba, pag gumagawa ka ng arts, di ba, dapat chill ka lang, dapat you're just free, you're just carefree, di ba? Pag yung arts, wala dapat yung pressure. Just show you. Kung ano talaga nakifeel mo sa kaloob-looban mo, sa kaibuturan ng iyong puso.
Pinate ni Vincent Van Gogh nung 1969.
Noong 1969, wala siyang pining.
Oo nga naman.
So, ano yung inspiration mo? Saan ka pa mahilig?
Rulis talaga.
Mahilig ako sa'yo.
Mapalit!
Inspiration is you. How about you, Ate Aya?
Secret. Ano yung oras?
Guys, I love weird things. Ito na lang. I will give
Dapat
you
yung parang mga arts ni
kasi I
Maloy,
love weird
no?
things, so I wanted it to be weird. Ayoko ng malinis, ayoko ng perfect,
Ayaw mo naman lang
ayoko ng precise. I want it
Binuhusan ng paint.
just you,
Aha.
unfinished.
Aha.
Gusto ko lang yung totoo, guys. Ay! Gwen! Grabe.
Hindi makatawa si Gwen.
As you can see, Gwen is using purple paint. Colette is using yellow paint. Yellow paint, guys. Blue paint. Pink. Black.
Joanna?
Joanna black.
Ano, what the hell is that?
I'm not gonna see you on the next round. Joke lang.
Give her a chance. Give her a chance.
Purple. Red and yellow. That's my favorite colors.
What?
Red
What's
and
your
yellow.
favorite color? Hey, brother.
Red and yellow is my favorite combo.
What?
Red and yellow.
Yan. Okay.
Guys, inhale. Exhale. We have 5 minutes and 50 seconds left. And Joanna, wala ka pang nagagawa.
Mukhang kulelat dito si Joanna.
Kaya ako na nagpaulan ng talent ni Lord na ganito.
Kita naman sa kamay pa lang niya eh. Na wala siyang ano sa arts.
Guys,
Basher
guys,
talaga.
look around. Look around. Look around. Sige, palawakin yung imagination nyo. Huwag kayong manggaya nang gagaya ka, bebe.
Ay, sorry.
Grabe si Gwen. Galing. So good. Thank you. Really, alam niyo ba, minsan,
Yung daliri ko pag art talaga. Uy.
kapag nag-start ka naman ng arts,
Ano naman?
and kunwari, may subject ka, bigla na lang magbabago throughout the
Napapatay na ako sa subtitle na para bang hindi ko naiintindihan yung Tagalog.
Bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. At,
Si Joanna parang pang yung sinusulat niya.
alam mo,
Bigyan niyo naman kasi ng chance.
Bilog lang yung Joanna. Bilog na
we
black.
have 4 minutes left.
Natawa ko sa pagsingot ni
4 minutes on the clock.
Oh my God!
Oh, may anik-anik pa dito. Guys, may harder. Harder. right? Yan. Grabe.
Can we have water?
Sorry, Lord. Water. I will give you water.
Naging black yung paint, yung water nila, ano,
Si Joanna,
Mika.
oh. Ang galing.
So guys, we have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sino kayo mananalo?
Yan yung art. That's art. Diba? Yung natatapon yung mga paintings and everything.
Really?
Yung studio. That's art for me.
Kay Joanna. Black na may yellow.
Joanna, stop panicking. Oo, Jo. I'm your favorite person, oh. Jo, hinga ka. Hinga ka lang. Hinga lang naman lalim. Guys, may anik-anik pa, ha?
Sorry guys.
Ano po?
It's
Medyo,
2 a.m. already.
as in, they're running
2 a.m.
out of time. Nagpapanik na po sila. Ay, hindi naman. Hindi naman pala. Excuse me. Sorry. So we have 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. So, ang saya. Ang artsy talaga ng girl. Ang artsy talaga ng girl.
Si Mika.
Wow, so cute. Kita na po natin ang mga hindi susunod sa next round. Nakikita ko na yun.
Ano yun?
Ako na.
Smiley?
Nakikita ko ang
Ang
ganda.
smiley?
Sobrang ganda. Guys,
Or parang prutas?
the end is coming. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left on the clock.
Guys, hindi po
Bebe, be careful, Bebe. It's fine. As you can see po, ating mga
Oh no.
ating mga painters ay nagkukumahog.
Wow.
Nagkukumahog sa pagpinta sa ating blankang canvas. Guys, 15 seconds left. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ayan na.
Notes, bagot. Wow. Wow.
Pwede ganito na lang po.
Oh no. Wait lang. Final touches. May mga final touches pa ba kayo?
Ang galing ni Gwen. Whatever, I wanna go home now.
Guys, I wanted it to be, intentional, may meaning. Lahat ng bagay may rason at may kahulugan. Walang bagay na nangyari lang dahil nangyari siya. Nangyari yun dahil may rason, nangyari yun kasi may pinanggalingan. Right? Everything has a meaning.
Ano na? Ganda na kay Mika. Kay Stacy din. Siyempre, kay Aya din. Ganda. Lahat sila may dilaw. Kay Gwen, oh. Parang abstract. Oh, ito, oh. Passion. Maganda. Kay Joanna. Smiley.
Jo, may stabilizer yan.
Sobrang effort.
Guys, today is the awarding day.
Joanna.
So, it doesn't mean na hindi
Joanna for me.
maganda. Everything is art. It's just that kailangan ko lang pumili. Okay? So, my top 5 are, so, ang top
Mika.
5 na mga
Mika.
next round.
Ano yung parang kay Colette? Gwen.
Sheena, Gwen, Aya,
Oh. Colette.
Sheena,
Ay,
Gwen,
Mika.
Aya. Stacy Colette.
Wala si Mika.
Tanggap ko na eliminated na ako ng first round. Parang nung first round, parang
Sino tanggal? Mika tsaka si
Kasi
Joanna.
wala. Okay lang.
No, cute ni Mika.
Masaya. Subupalit tayo.
Tanggal si Mika and si Joanna. Kasi ganun talaga eh. Parang okay naman yung artworks nila, pero may kailangan lang talagang tanggalin. So, okay lang yun. Bawi na lang sila next time.
Tanggal ko na yung subtitle. Napapatingin ako.
Expected ko na. Give ko na sa girls yan. Kasi iba din talaga sila sa art. Excited ako sa ibang challenge. Bawi na lang sa ibang challenges.
Okay, next round.
Palit kayo ni Jo.
Next round. Challenge number 2 is the blind drawing challenge. Meron kayong whiteboard na
nasa taas ng ulo nyo, then mag-draw lang kayo. Ganyan.
Ano pag ibang ma-draw?
Basta, yun ang mechanics. And then,
Ano daw?
kailangan, sundin nyo kung ano yung sabihin ko na ito-drawing.
Ah,
Ganon. Ganon.
Oh.
And, yes. So, get it? Ipasok ang mga whiteboard. At
Maganda to. Blind drawing.
FOMO si Jo, guys.
Na-FOMO siya. Okay lang, napipili ka naman. Okay, 5 minutes, go. Draw a face. Draw a face.
Face.
Yes, just draw a face. That's the first step. Draw a face. Draw a face. And
Gandang
then,
host
face
ni Maloy,
naman.
ano?
And then, draw a luscious
Ba't nasa gilid?
long, luscious hair. Bouncy and shiny. Like parang nakasunset. Ganun.
Ano kay Gwen?
Solid. Ganda. No pressure, okay? Sobrang ganda.
Yan.
Parang mali na draw ko. Long, luscious hair. And then, make it shiny. O, paano nyo, ipaput into drawing kapag shiny
Tama na
hair.
to.
Then, dapat sa taas nung shiny hair may flower.
Yung flower crown? Anong klaseng flower? Anong klaseng flower?
Carnation.
Ay, ang ganda na kay Aya.
Anong carnation? Cute na more? Okay. Hindi na.
Oh, wag na daw.
Carnation flower. Any flower na? Sige, bouquet of flowers na lang sa top. So,
Ang lapis sa cartoon.
Of course. Lagyan nyo ng, girls, lagyan nyo ng katawan. Katawan na kayo space. Wala na katawan.
Oo nga naman.
Okay. And then, girls, this time. Kasi siyempre, diba, ayoko naman ng parang...
Dapat sinabi
Hindi
nila.
tayo, ano tayo dito?
Galit na si Ate Aya!
So, I'm gonna give you a free will to design your drawing. Design it.
Okay,
design
it.
Decorate. And you have 1 minute and 55 seconds. May freedom tayo dito. We have the freedom to choose.
Ano yung kay Gwen?
Freedom to show. And freedom to feel. And freedom to...
Ayun kay Stacy.
Like, we have the freedom.
Wala nang makita. Freedom pala.
I wanna see it na? I just wanna see. I'm curious.
Oh my God. Done na.
Okay na ako. Baka mag-drop ko siya. Okay. Ikaw, sa tingin mo, anong ine-expect mo naman?
Sobrang proud si Sheena sa gawa niya.
Like yung hair na mahaba, hair na sparkling, and everything. Kasi I'm good at it.
Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo yung na-draw?
Na-draw ko naman lahat. Hindi ko lang alam kung tama yung pwesto nila, kung saan sila pwedeng ilagay.
Ikaw, anong sa tingin mo na-draw?
Me, in my mind,
Maganda yung kay Aya.
I don't know the look.
baka wala akong na-draw.
I would say it is very
Where's the face?
Gusto ko na ng mga ko.
Tingnan mo kayo nakikita ko.
Asan nga ba kasi yung mukha?
What do you think you drew?
I think I drew your universe.
Ay, really? Face din yung sa'yo.
Yeah,
I read it. Thinker. Sige.
I just want to see it now.
Sino man manalo siya?
Ang ganda nung kay Jay. It's so cute.
No?
Proud na proud siya sa gawa niyo.
Okay. Flip.
Can we see it?
What?
Wow!
Okay, basta ko muna. Basta ko, show your artwork and show it to yourself.
Okay. So, yeah, this is my drawing.
Can I see? Oh!
Oh!
Guys, listen to
Yeah, listen to me. Kasi you told us a while ago ago na you're okay with weird things, weird stuff.
Oo nga naman,
So,
weird
I
nga
ended
naman
up
yan.
deciding everything na super kalat. So, I think
I see the vision na parang
Yeah.
nakakulong siya.
Yeah.
Trying to go out.
Yes.
So that yung walls niya,
Yeah.
parang tinatry niya na ibaba yung walls niya.
Sige, ipilit mo.
Yeah.
Kasi, wow! I see, parang, guys, parang siyang ovary. Okay, I will explain. Okay, this is the face.
Okay.
This is the hair. The face, the hair, the flower. Oh, no, may mata, mata, ilong. Ito si Timaan, Ron. Tsaka si Kuya Lester.
Ano sila Minion?
Bilog lang. Hindi pa sila nag-course. Galing kasi sila dito sa Fallopian Tube. Ito, yan. Nabubuka sila dito. Ito yung...
Hoy! Myself, my story.
My sorry.
Guys, yes! Tapos silang tatlo, dadali sila. Ito sa sakyan to. Tapos nilagyan ko lang.
May kwento.
Tapos sinabi mo design. Okay, put something else. Ano ko na lang? Aww, that's it. Thank you. How about you, Ate Ayas? Nakakatakot? Wow! Wow! Parang sabi ko sa'yo, I love the nose. Okay. So,
Ang ganun.
okay. So, what can you say about your work? This is the, eyes, nose, o, diba, tatlo. Tapos, ito yung kilay. Ito sa lips. Ito yung hair. Tingnan ko siya sa hair. May flower.
Hindi ko pinapakinggan ni Ate.
I know. This is my design. This is my, van. Yeah, it's heels. Where's the carnation flower? This one. Do you know what carnation flower looks like? This one. Ay, buti ka pa alam mo. I know, right?
I love Bebe.
Okay, Bebe.
Yan na.
Camera.
Yung kay Gwen na.
To your stuff. This is my first time seeing my... Oh,
Grabe
wow!
reaction.
Wow!
Sheila.
Okay. Bebe, di ba I said you cannot do... Oh, yeah. This is the face. Okay, next. Face. The luscious hair. Oh, ayan. Where's the carnation flower? The flower? Ito. Ito, flower. Confused. Okay, asan yung van? Asan yung van? Ito yung van. Where's the decoration? Ito.
Making her talk na.
Ah.
And then this one pala.
Sheila.
She's one person. Okay. How about you, Bebe? Show it to the camera.
I'm excited.
You're fine.
Apat yung mata.
Oh, it's kind of like yours. Oh, wow. You compared your work to hers.
But mine's prettier.
Okay. I have a story. What's your story?
Ayan na, ayan na.
You? This is the neck. This is the scrumptious hair.
Scrumptious.
Neck ko yun.
Tama ako.
Oh, ito
Okay
yung
mo.
design, heart.
I thought I did better.
Oh, yeah. Okay, show it to the camera first. I did for them to have an overview of what you guys learned on tonight.
For me kay Aya.
Piliin ko na top 3
Aya and Sheena.
Ulit! Ate Aya and...
Sheena! O, diba?
Hindi, pero maganda talaga. Parang kulit. Ano nga, may star.
I felt so confident. Ewan ko kung ako lang. I felt so confident. Like, parang alam ko na ako na mananalo. Pero na ako confident. Hindi naman ako pinakamagaling sa arts. Pero, I have background. Background. Ate ba yung background ko?
Hindi. That is the rumble. Not particular order. Okay.
Tanggal si Stacey and si Gwen. Okay lang. Tanggap naman daw nila. Yan, babawi naman sila sa next episode.
Okay, for our final round, it's titled Couture. So yung top 3 po natin ay gagawa ng outfit made of newspaper and some silk sachet. So exciting kasi fashion and art combined. And syempre yung mga eliminated girls mag-a-assist sa ating mga top 3 girlies. And they have the 5 minutes to create the outfit. And then after that, they're gonna walk the runway for 30 seconds. And, yan, pipili ako ng the best. Okay, so, pipili na sila ng kanilang mga assistants. Or should I say, their partners. So, ang unang pipili ay ang pinakamatangkad.
Outfit,
So,
buong outfit. Isang buong
It's
outfit.
Ate Aya, and then Colette, and then Sheena. Okay, choose your partner. Stacy, come here.
Oh, ba't hindi si
She
Mika?
made up her mind. Just a stat.
Ba't pinakita si Mika?
She made up her mind. Just a stat.
Oh.
She chose Stacy, come here.
May alam ang cameraman. Ay, yung
Si Gwen,
editor.
chill muna si Gwen.
Hindi pwede mag-host si Bebe.
Oo nga, ako na.
Pwede siya dito.
Ako na.
Si Gwen na
Hindi, wag na. Mag-chill na lang siya. And then, Colette, choose your partner.
Ko alam anong gagawin ko, to be honest. Yeah,
Okay,
we're
and
gonna...
then you and Sheena.
Let's go.
But Bebe Gwen is just gonna rest kasi he's feeling blue. Blue?
Ano,
Feeling
tanong si
orange.
Gwen yung pipili mo. Dito na si
Hindi, mag-chill lang si Gwen.
si Gwen.
Okay. Mix! 5
Gonna help
minutes. Start now. 5
Let's
minutes
go.
na yan ah. Oh, 4 minutes na lang. Okay. Oh. Go girl.
Hindi ko mananalo sila Aya. Just Stacy.
Ay, gusto ko to.
Mga
Baka di ako panalo.
beauty queen.
They can do layering. They can do like that. Or anything. Pwede nilang i-cut yung newspaper or the sachet. Only have 4 pwede nilang dami like wow, imagination. It's art. It's art. Yeah. Ribbon. Meron po tayo ditong coordination, teamwork, perseverance,
Sorry.
and creativeness. Okay, guys, don't forget to use Sunsilk sachets because that's important.
Ay, ganda na kay Sheena, oh.
We have timer, and it's 2 minutes and 25 seconds left on the clock. As you can see, dito naman tayo. Grabe, sobrang helpful talaga. Iba talaga kapag may kasama ka. No man is an island. Kailangan may katuwang ka sa buhay. Kailangan somehow may tutulong sa'yo. Diba? Sometimes it's okay if you're dependent. But not too dependent. Dependent pala. But not too independent. Okay, and then nag-taste na sila and everything. As you can see, this is the Sunsilk. Hi, Ate Kat. Shout out to you, Ate Catherine. Picture mo na.
Ang ganda.
Okay, 1 minute and 24 seconds left, guys.
Gap naman eh.
I need to see creativity and originality. Nakikita po natin, nagka-cut na din sila ng mga Sunsilk na products. Ay, ang galing! Bango! So, 50 seconds left, guys. 50 seconds. Time is running. If I say stop, you're gonna stop. If I say stop, guys, 20 seconds left.
Mag-board.
What? 15 seconds left, guys. Ang measure ng aking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Stop!
Yan na. Ay.
Oh, wait, wrong.
May ribbon pa dito. Ganda.
Last minute, gumawa pa kami ng ribbon para sa
Ang ganda ng
Last
ribbon.
minute sinarsi.
Ah!
Ah. Ang galing. Creative ba? Si Sheena may pakulo na naman.
Ganda ng buhok.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Pinuha niya yung ganito siya. Wow!
Ako yung nag-stapler niyan.
Eh. Nagsama pa.
Error, mag-error.
Sheena ako, Sheena.
Go with your own. Wow.
Nag-error yung ikot.
You're right. Natanggal na siya.
So, at the final.
Sheena.
So,
Panalo na naman si Sheena. Ay! Sabi yung panalo kay ano?
anything else before I announce the winner?
Kay Kulit.
Palakpakan mo natin sila. Everyone.
Si Joanna pala yung kay Kulit.
Thank you guys for your effort, for your imagination, for your creativity, your passion, your blood, sweat and tears, everything. You guys are creative, and you should know that from the bottom of your beautiful hearts, okay? So, ayan, pipili na ako ng winner. Sa tingin niya sino ang mananalo? Yung
Sheena.
Ikaw. Ako si Bebe. Bebe, you're the winner. Okay, okay. Dapat nakita niyo na sabi ko ulit. Nakita niyo ba niya siya kasi to eat with a tons of sachets and newspapers. Guys, no bad hair days can stop us from completing all the challenges. So thank you, Sunset. Thank you for the good hair day. Thank you. Thank you for the sachets and everything. So I think it's time to
Sheena. Sheena yan.
the winner for this round. Pwede mag-first. Wait, nakita ko kasi, ito muna, kaya may criteria tayo. Nakita ko yung creativity, and I saw the passion, the confidence.
Sheena natulog na.
Ano siya, like parang nag-stick siya sa character niya. So I think the winner for my universe with passion and art is Sheena!
Sabi niya.
The winner! She's the winner! And deserve ni Bebe. Hindi dahil bias ko siya. Oo, that's a fact. Bias ko siya. Pero hindi ako bias sa naging decision ko. I just like what she
Deserve naman ni
did.
Sheena.
Congratulations, Sheena. What can you say about winning this challenge? And you've been through so much. You've been through 3 challenges. Naisip mo ba yun? Nasa 3 challenges na yun, mananalo ka, di ba? Sa pagiging creative mo, sa pagiging
Same reaction.
Thank you. Thank you to everyone who believed in me. Actually, I already saw this coming. That's something new. Maybe something new to me would be I would lose. I'm a winner. So I think I'm not that surprised, but thank you, Ate Maloy. I know this episode is about you, but I made it about me.
Kasi naman pa siya talaga. Alam mo, kahit ano naman gawin siya talaga. The best talaga siya.
Congrats! Thank you, Samsung! Thank you, Samsung! Thank you, Samsung! For memory, mag-i-announce si Ate Maloy na ako na yung panalo. Maliban sa I expected it na, it felt different pag in-announce ka na eh. Alam mo ulit sa ibang beses. Ay, hindi
Kasi ayoko maging kahaman. Next games, hindi na ako mag-effort.
Partida pa daw.
Everyone, so this has been my universe with passion and art. Thank you, Sunsec. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, girls, for doing your best. And sa pag-introduce sa blooms ng inyong art side, artsy side. I hope na na-appreciate yung lahat. And
Ganda ni
see you on the
Aja.
next episode. Bye, guys!
Hey, ang saya. Sino next?
Make me a night. Now it's gone. Sometimes it's scary, it's worth all the pain. Pressure from stone to the electric.
Ayun. So, yun lang. That's it for this video, guys. Sobrang saya. Ang galing-galing mag-host ni Maloy. Alam mo, kahit isang episode, bentang-benta sa akin si Sheena. Talagang no wonder siya yung parang clown nila. Source of happiness. So, yun lang, guys. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo sa reaction video ko. So, kung I'm planning to complete naman lahat ng episodes. Pero if you have any suggestion na pwede kong panoorin, comment lang kayo. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat!